How to log out from the Edits app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply log out from your Edits app in just a minute. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, open your Edits app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the home page of the Edit section, tap onto the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. In a new interface, you'll see a logout option. Tap on that logout button. A pop-up icon will appear on your screen asking you to confirm to log out. Tap on logout. Now you have successfully logged out from your Edits app, and that's it. Isn't it super simple? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.